And welcome back to Officer Oil. I'm Scott McAdoo when I'm not fighting crime. Garrett, we are...
Fighting friction.
That's my man, fighting friction. So we're here with Garrett's dirt bike. It's a 2009 Honda CRF 50 dirt bike. It is his second bike, but it is time for... It's desperately in need of an oil change. Am I right?
Well, you're supposed to change it every 6 months, and we last time we changed it was 3 years ago.
How many years?
3 years.
3 years. Yeah, over 3 years ago we changed the oil in this.
You're supposed to change it every month.
Every 6 months. So, I was like, you know what? Let's change the oil. We got a few minutes here. And I looked at it. It's not looking great. Again, we're not going to do oil analysis on it to see for sure. But I said, let's do this. So shame on us. Maybe you've seen that movie before where you get forgetful, you become lazy, and you don't maintain your stuff. So,
and then this happened.
And then, well, we're not having any issues.
We were at the farm and it was like, it wasn't sounding good.
Are you talking about a two-stroke dirt bike, or are you talking about...
No, I'm talking about this when you tried to start it. It was like...
Yeah, I did try to start it. And I said, hey, it's making kind of a funny sound. I said, maybe it's time to change the oil. But after almost 3.5 years...
And you're supposed to change it over 6 months.
In 6 months. Okay, so... we just warmed the bike up, didn't hear any funny sounds, but he went and spun around the parking lot, warmed it up, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing changed out. So what we're going to be using is the AMSOIL Synthetic 4-stroke Powersports motor oil. Now this was designed for ATVs and snowmobiles, but when I show you the back here, you'll see how it does meet all the specs for this bike. All right, so right here, so very important, right in the owner's manual, my dirty fingers here, been working on the bikes. So you need to have that JASO MA spec. It also meets the MA2, so JASO MA, MA2, so that's wet clutch compatible. That's exactly what we're looking for. Again, it's going to be recommended for Honda, but this oil is very versatile. It also meets 0W30, 040, 5W30, 1030, and 1040. Now, if you look in the Honda owner's manual for this, it's going to say somewhere between 1030 and 1040. So I also run this in my Can-Am ATV, so it's great. So we get a little crossover, and we're going to be sticking this in, and that's what's in there now. All right, so Garrett's just cleaning up our work area here. This is the fill port here, and the plug, or the fill port, just to get any of that dirt and everything. So go ahead and spray some on there, Garrett. There you go, good. Awesome job.
Wow.
Yep, came out quick, right? Surprise. So we got that cleaned up.
Like Christmas, surprise.
Yep, surprise. And then we're going to come under here, and we're going to take off our drain bolt. It's a 17 mil. We're going to take that off and get out that old oil. I know you want a KTM bad. So we're also going to crack. Go ahead, and can you crack that, Garrett? Yep, just crack that. Good, you don't have to take it all the way off, just get it started. That way we get that airflow, right? It's kind of like a pineapple can, popping that. So you get good airflow and break that vacuum seal. Okay, underneath here, 17 mil, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There we go. All right, Garrett, I'm going to switch over. I'm going to have you take over here.
And just...
Here, go ahead, turn it. So if you're looking at it, remember, if you're looking straight up, it has to go to the left.
No, but it's going to come out.
That's okay. Hey, this is part of riding dirt bikes, bud. Yep, get ready. As soon as it pops off, just move your hand out of the way. Keep going, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Keep going. Don't drop it. Get ready to catch and pull. Keep going. There you go. Pull it out of the way. Get that out of the way. Good. Oh, yeah. Look at that color. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ugh. Again, pushing 3.5 years on that oil. So, way too long. Yep. Way too long.
Ew.
But we'll let that drain out. We'll let that drain out here. We got good airflow here. This is loose. All right,
That's
perfect.
It. Pretty much it. Just let it sit here.
Well, we're going to keep letting it drip. So what we'll do is I like to tip the bike. And you see how the more oil comes out of it?
Oh.
See that? Gravity, right?
Yeah.
Let's let it work against us. Look at it pouring out because I'm leaning it.
Just because you're leaning it? That reminds me of going to the bathroom.
What? Goes to the what?
Bathroom. I really need to go, actually.
Oh my gosh. A little too much information here, Garrett. Still dripping. Just keep leaning it over here. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to take this off and I'm going to pull this out. Go ahead, take that off, Garrett. Good. Take that out. All right. And set that, look at that thing all nice and dirty. All right, but we're going to clean it off and then we're going to clean this out here as well just to get any of that dirt out of there so it doesn't go down in. Don't push that in there. Don't push that in there.
Look at that.
I know,
That's
it's all nasty.
dirt.
That can all go in there and tear your transmission up, tear up the engine. Say that 5 times really fast. Yeah. It's been a long day, all right? Yeah. Okay, so very carefully just take my paper towel and try not to get any of that crap in there. Okay, then we grab our AMSOIL brake and parts cleaner here. Love this stuff. Comes out really hard, dries super quick. All right, doesn't leave any residue. But I'm just gonna spray.
Mr. Steele's barking.
Yep, our guard dog's out there, so. And I'm
At the farm, he was protecting the dirt bikes.
That's right. That's his job.
One of the people that were coming, and they were staying here, and when they were going to get their dirt bike, they came back, and he was barking.
That's right, doing his job.
He's a guard dog.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we'll get that all nice and clean. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm going to set it here just so we don't knock any dust and dirt in, not screw it in all the way. I'm going to lean it some more. Oh, look at that. More oil coming out. Yeah.
Not that much.
All right, now, little trick you can do to try to get all this old oil out is come up here, turn your ignition off. Okay, is it off? All right, because we do not want the bike to start. Now, Garrett, give it a couple kicks. Be careful. Yep. Good. Give it a couple kicks. Good. Good. One more. All right, perfect. All right, did a couple kicks just to get the piston moving around in there and getting that old oil out. Oh, yep, look, here comes more. Try to get all this old oil out.
Oh, yeah.
See that? So I'm leaning over super far here, and we're still getting oil dripping
My
out.
side, it looks disgusting.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Shame on us. This is what happens when you get busy.
And then you got the ball and the chain on you. Mom and
Yep,
Scotland.
it's called marriage. You're learning.
Pick the right one.
That's right. Marry the right one.
And there goes the guard dog.
Hit pause real quick. Okay, so got all the old oil out. We're going to just hit our drain plug here with a little bit of brake and parts cleaner just to clean that up. All right, we'll wipe that off because we're getting ready to stick this thing. We're getting ready to stick this thing back in there. But get that all nice and clean. Always recommend a new crush washer. Stick that crush washer on, that drain plug gasket. Okay, come down here and wipe. Give that a good wipe. And then we're gonna, I've tipped it a bunch of times. And get this back in, get the plug back in, snugged up. And then we'll tighten it down. All right. And we can move our old oil out of the way.
Look at that.
Yeah, way too long.
Ugh.
And then we'll just tighten that up. All right, good. All right, to see exactly what oil AMSOIL recommends for your bike, we have a really great lookup guide. Super simple. Just go to my website, officeroil.com, plug in make, model, year, and it'll tell you everything that fits your bike, your truck, your boat, your car, lots of different applications. So let me show you here. Okay, so you just come to my website, officeroil.com, and then right here is a lookup guide. So for trucks, ATVs, UTVs, snowmobiles, all right, personal watercraft. Okay, so we just click on motorcycle here, and then we come down and find the year. Scroll down nice and slow here, 2009. Oops, back. Did I get 2009? 2009. Okay, Honda. Next time, blow your nose. All right. Then we come down here and we go to CRF.
Where is it?
CRF. And click on 50. So right here for best results, AMSOIL is going to recommend the 10W40 dirt bike oil, but I don't have any of that with me today. So we're going to be using the 040 Powersports Oil instead. Look, it even gives you the capacity here, 0.63 quarts. All right. Some other seasonal products, stabilizer, fogging oil, octane boost, quick shot. I love this, especially to clean out the fuel system. And if
you have a lot of quick shot.
Ethanol, yeah, we love quick shot because we love not having problems. Metal protector spray.
We have a lot of that.
Yeah.
Heavy
duty metal protector
spray. We have a lot
spray
of that too.
Rust.
We use that in Florida.
Degreaser, silicone spray.
We use that in Florida.
Mud slinger to keep the mud off the shine
love
up your
mud
bike.
slinger.
Oh yeah, it's got a nice smell to it too. Engine degreaser. This is the Miracle Wash.
Yup.
Brake and parts cleaner. We were just using that, right?
We just used that.
Glass cleaner. Don't really need that. I'm not sure why they stick
Except
it
for
on
Scotland.
There. Yeah, with their greasy fingers. So, and
slide
then
it on the mirror.
Shampoo and our
shampoo
products there. So
shampoo.
Okay. All right. Now time to add the oil. So the capacity on this is only 0.63 quarts or 19 fluid ounces. So where did I have my? Here we go. So I have my little measuring device. So we need 19 ounces. So Garrett, here we go. Ounces is right here. So we're gonna fill this up to. We're gonna fill it up to 10 ounces right here. 10 ounces, and then we'll do the other 9. So Garrett, go ahead and pour this in. All right, Garrett, go ahead and give me 10 ounces. Liquid gold. Slow down, get to 10. And tell me when to stop. Good job. Right there. 10 ounces. Beautiful. All right, Garrett, go ahead and pour it in. Let's get 10 ounces in.
Liquid gold.
Let's put it in there. Oh, yeah. Slow down. Too fast.
But I still got it on there.
Slow down. Get that all in there. Good. Let that all drip out. Good. We got 10 ounces in. But what are we missing if we need 19 ounces?
9.
You sure?
Yeah.
Are you really sure?
Yes.
Final answer?
Positive.
All right, my man. All right. Let's get the other 9 in there. All right, Garrett, go ahead and dump in the rest of that bottle. Get all that in there. Good job. Go ahead and pour all of it in. There we go. Good.
That's it.
Let that drip all out. We'll get most of it. All right. Got a fresh cord here. Go ahead, Garrett. Slow down. We got to get 9 ounces. Do not overfill. Keep going. Keep going. Get it right there. You're almost there. You're at 8 and 9. Stop. Good job. Okay. Good. Always put the cap on.
Just one.
No, that's good. You don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need it. Okay.
Now I got it there.
All right, put the cap on the quart just in case you knock it over. Yep, put the cap on there. Good job. Beautiful. Okay.
Just let this drip.
Well, we'll do that later. Don't stick it in there. No, don't put it in there. We'll do that later. All right, bring that out.
There.
Okay, so, yep, get that off to the side. Good. All right, go on and dump your last 9 ounces in. Go ahead. Nice and easy. Don't make a mess. You're in kind of an awkward position. Whoa, whoa, slow down.
It's fine.
Okay, get all that oil in there. So hold that. Good, let that drip in. There we go. We'll let that drip for a minute. All right, Gary, go ahead and put the cap back on, the oil fill cap back in. We've already cleaned that off with some breaking parts cleaner. Yep, make sure you snug that up. Good, good. Just snug. You don't have to make it super tight.
There.
All right, so we got oil in. You want to start this thing up?
Yeah.
All right, is our fuel on? Make sure the fuel's on. Make sure the ignition's on. Let's see if it starts. It's ice cold. Let's see if he can do it. I don't know.
Hey, it's moving.
All right, it's in neutral. There we go. Let it warm up a little bit. Good job. Much better. Okay, so now, best thing to do, get it warm, then let it sit for a minute, shut it off, and check your oil to make sure your oil level is correct and we measured properly. But if you're a do-it-yourselfer like us here in the garage, you've got one of these little great dirt bikes, visit my website at officeroil.com. By going through my website, it helps us get credit for the sale. We've got an incredible program called the Preferred Customer Program. It'll save you 25%, give you free shipping to your door on orders over $100, and there's almost always a great promo to go with it. That's if you're do-it-yourselfer. Or if you have maybe a repair shop, maybe you're fixing bikes, maybe you're a Powersports shop, click on the other link below. We can get your shop set up with even better pricing. We can help you with advertising, signage, all kinds of great things to help drive business in your door, boost your sales per ticket, better protect your customers' bikes, and boost your reputation. Maybe you have a fleet. Maybe you have a landscape fleet or a trucking company, or you're a plumber, an HVAC company. You've got a fleet of trucks. We can set your fleet up with one of our commercial programs and get even bigger discounts. So there's volume discounts that add on to that. And then you can get whatever you need for your kid's bike here. But if you'd like to learn any more, please reach out, comment below. If you have any questions, reach out to me, officeroil.com. We're happy to answer. But Gary, you ready to go rip this thing?
Listen to this.
Nice and purring now. All right, you ready to go rip it? Now that we got some good clean oil in there. All right, we'll see you next time. Officer Oil. Garrett, what do we say?